Hey guys, Jenny here, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Motorola Q9H on AT&T. Okay, so let's start with the box itself. On the front, you got your picture of the phone, AT&T logo, Motorola logo, some features, and which you got Windows Mobile 6. It's world capable, meaning fully GSM, 3G data, GPS enabled, Bluetooth enabled, email and web browsing capable, supports full messaging, and has a sweet 2-megapixel camera. On this side, it tells you more features, in which it has up to 9 hours of talk time, up to 30 days of standby time, 4 by 2.2 by 0.46 inches, so big phone, 2.5 inches of display, weighs 4.4 ounces, which is kinda heavy. 120 megabyte memory, supports micro SD card, supports Java applications and games, and again it has Windows Mobile 6. And which, by the way, here are some notes and more notes. Okay, and it includes the phone itself, USB cable for your computer, headphone adapter 3.5mm, mini USB charging adapter, getting start guide, quick start guide, your charger, 2 batteries, one standard and one extended, and a CD disc with software for your phone. On the back, it tells you more about the phone, in which it has, in which it's thin, light, and has a quad keyboard, quad band, GSM, GVRS. Again, GPS enabled, 3G. It's class 10. Has Windows Media Player, AT&T Mobile Music, Video, Media Mail, which it's just AT&T junkware, bloatware, automatic delivery for email, supports all kinds of email and instant text and instant messaging. It supports Microsoft Office and Adobe, and it can unzip files. It can unzip zips and whatever. You can browse via MediaNet. Has and then it has organizer features such as address book, calendar, memo pad, tasks, notes and voice notes, mobile TV, and MySpace mobile. And that's about it. On this side there's some personal information. So let's open this box up and see what excitement awaits us. Welcome to AT&T. And it thanks you for purchasing the phone. and then it gives you a link so you can learn how to do stuff with your phone. And here's what's actually inside. We got 2 cases. This one's for your standard battery, and this one's for your extended battery. Your getting started guide. A packet of junk flyers, Bluetooth thing, okay, Bluetooth pamphlet. On one side is Yahoo Music, and another is a bunch of free programs, and then you got your warranty. No, not health and safety regulations, boring stuff. Quick start guide. This tells you audio CD. Wait, no. It's CD with software with active sync, so you can connect your phone to your computer. Charger. Cable, so you can connect to your phone to your computer. Extended battery, standard battery, audio adapter, mini USB adapter, SIM card, and finally the phone itself. Now I'm gonna quickly show you how to set up your phone. Set up and charge your phone. Peel this off. Slide your battery in and push down. Slide your okay. SIM card. Slide it in. Okay, there we go. Battery, slide it in, push down, back cover, slide it in, okay. And then your micro SD card, you just push it in, open this and push it in. And then to charge the phone, I can't turn on the phone since, well, the phone is broken, but just charge the phone by plugging this side into the wall and then plug this side into the phone. If I'm able to do this without breaking the phone. Okay. I'm definitely gonna break it. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. So that's how you plug in. This is how you remove it. Press and hold this button to turn the phone on, and then the rest is easy peasy. It'll tell you what to do. And so that's the unboxing of the Motorola Q9H on AT&T. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I made sure this was a bit shorter since usually my videos are pretty long. So I hope you enjoy it, and bye. Wait, actually no, not bye, because I actually made my own Discord server. And it's meant to be a crossover between a bunch of my friends, so if you're friends with me, or you just like my content, go ahead and join by clicking on the link below. And also, But please don't join in the middle of the night EST because... Come on, who joins in the middle of the night? And I also got my own SoundCloud and TikTok, and so I'll link both of those below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and comment. And bye!